What's up, drivers and dreamers? Check it out. Regent Transport 501, California bound. So we've got a trailer out there near Victorville, California that we have to go get. And our dispatch is currently working on booking a power only. If you don't know what that means, it's just somebody already owns a trailer, but they don't have a truck and they need that trailer moved. So we had one all lined up and it fell through. Imagine that, just my luck. But anyway, dispatch is already all over another one. And hopefully we'll have that taken care of here shortly. I've got Johnny Walker, new driver, training with me. He's got my new best friend that he brought with him. This guy's name's Rocky. Say hi. Scratch mark right here. Oh, big old grin. Reminds me of a doggo whining and fussing every time the paperwork princess got out of the truck. This is Johnny's dog, Rocky. Hey, buddy. So we were given this piece of paper and told to find that number, barcode sticker in this lot. And on the other side there's a whole other double row. Well, we finally located our trailer. Quick walk around, make sure the tires are all up, make sure there's no pre-existing damages. I'll try the brake lights, but it doesn't look like the marker lights are even on. Well, me and Rocky here, we're sitting here waiting on the mechanic to show up to fix the tail lights on this brand spanking new trailer that's never even left the yard. Always something. Pulled in here at Purina. Dog food, getting ready to get loaded. Well, we have got our brand spanking new trailer picked up. Not a scratch on it anywhere. Rock's out walking. And we're sitting here in line, waiting to be called. That's one thing I'm learning about this general freight business is there's a whole lot of hurry up and wait goes on. We have no control over your schedule. Yeah. The whole food came out. Now you want mine first? Well, over 3 hours later and we're still sitting here waiting. Aren't we, Rocky? Well, it's about 8:30 the following morning, and we just got the green light. 6 p.m. appointment time, 11 p.m. and change before they ever give us a door assignment, and 3 a.m. before the first forklift hits our trailer. It's now 8:30 and we just got the green light. As you can see from these red eyes, not a lot of sleep last night. It's like every 20 minutes a forklift hit the trailer and wake me up. But at least we finally got the green light, so Colorado bound. We've made it to solid snowpack. Whew! It feels so good to be back out here on the road, even though it's 20 degrees and snowing. This truck stop is packed. So many guys afraid of the snow, they just pulled off and parked everywhere. There's nowhere to park, so we've just pulled through the fuel island because we're only pausing for a moment. And it feels good to be back on the road. It's always nice when you got somebody that's fairly cool to ride with. And our new driver Johnny's a pretty cool dude, along with his buddy up there. See Rocky? Me and Rocky over here are going to wrap this video up. We're on our way out to Colorado. 852 miles to go for a 4:30 p.m. delivery tomorrow. So we'll keep videoing and give you another update tomorrow maybe. How about it, Rocky? Say goodbye.